This video is an introduction to the activities found within the Lesson Activity Toolkit. These activities are interactive activities that can be used for basic assessment, either before, during, or at the end of the lesson. So we can make it into a game, and the children can get out of their seats and they can come up to the board, and depending on which way you've constructed them will allow how many students can come up. Either one person does it by themselves, or it's a number of students that are coming up to the board to do the activities. In the activities section, there are 18 different types of activities. We will look at the individual activities in individual videos later on. If we go to the Gallery tab and click on Lesson Activity Toolkit, we're going into the activities section, not the examples, but the actual activities section. That is where we will find the 18 different ones. If we were to click on a specific activity, such as anagram, and we look down below, it shows that we have 6 different types of anagrams. The only difference is the color: blue, brown, green, orange, purple, or teal. So they're exactly the same, they function the same, and all the activities have 6 different colors for the specific activities. Right, let's look at an activity. In this example, I've taken the anagram example and I've opened it onto a page. Straight away you'll see that there are key buttons here that we can use. On the top right hand corner is a question mark. This is actually the information to help you about the game and how to do it. Scroll down, there's information along there. On the top left hand side we have start, and as you know, with the anagram, if I click start, I need to drag my letters in order to spell correctly. Then I can go on, and there's clues at the bottom to help me with that. But the most important button for all of the anagrams is the edit button. The edit allows us to go and change it into our own topics, our own subjects. There are some limitations with specific languages that have specific symbols or have dots and dashes on their letters. These cannot be put in. As well as languages like Hebrew that go from right to left, that doesn't work either. Let's have a look at the edit of anagram. Here we're able to change a couple of things. I can change speed, I can put whether there's a timer, I can add a password. My suggestion with regard to passwords is don't put a password. How many passwords are we trying to remember these days anyway? Add in another password into this and you want to change one word, or there's a spelling mistake, and we might forget it. That's not going to help. Most of ours, we're able to change the text. Now I'm going to change water by double clicking. You will see that it changes to yellow. There is no little icon flashing to tell me where I am. So where I click is where it will be. I've clicked at the end, so if I click backspace on my keyboard, there you go. If I go into the middle of oxygen and click there, I click back, it'll go wherever I've clicked. Unfortunately, there's no cursor to show us what's going on. The other suggestion I have is that you highlight the whole word and then you can go and type over whatever you want. The easiest way is to type, you double click, highlight, and then put in your information. The second part of our activities deals with images. A lot of them require images to be put in, and we could put many different types of images in. This is a category sort image activity. So when I click edit, there are all my different images and I can go and set it up. If I want to change images and put them in, the easiest way is to drag and drop. You'll see the block turns yellow, and when I let go of my mouse, it sucks it in, and I now have that picture in my activity. My suggestion for doing these activities is to firstly get your images before you open the activity. So find out how many images you need, go find them, either get them from the gallery, from the internet, put them all around your page. Then you can simply and quickly drag and drop them into the different positions that they need to go. You'll notice that I have my attempt at drawing a cat here, but what I'm trying to demonstrate here is you can actually draw your pictures and put them in. You can use text. So if we can't find or type specific language words, we can actually copy and paste them or make them into an image and then put that image into the activity. You can also write words and you can drag them in And again, simply dragging your picture and letting it go over. And now we have all the different variations from writing to text to drawings to images that we can use. So a quick recap of the activities. There's 18 different types. Most of them use text, which you just simply click on and change. Some of them use images. Those you go and get beforehand. If you don't, you can just go add an image now and drag it into the spot. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.